guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this look right here, and I use the new Nude by Huda Beauty. And so this look, I absolutely love it. It is my go-to for going out, but it's also good for Valentine's Day or honestly any occasion or just being casual. So if you want to know how I got this look, keep watching. So as you can see, I have my entire face on except for my eyes, which we're going to be using the new Huda Beauty New Nude. So it's exciting. Okay, so first shade I'm taking is this one here called Play. And I'm just taking it on a big fluffy brush. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, big fluffy brush. And we're just going to put that in the crease and all over the lid. This is just to make everything transition pretty nicely, and it's like a good base color. It's pretty nude. So then I'm taking a smaller fluffy brush, and I'm going to take this color here called Tickle, and we're just going to put this in the crease as well. Sorry, I'm not looking at the camera, I'm looking at my mirror. I can't really see in my camera. So now on an even smaller fluffy brush, still pretty large, but it's a little bit smaller, I'm going to take this top corner shade here called Spanked, and we're also going to put that in the crease to like darken it up and start putting it on the outer V. But don't put it as high as the first shade that you put, because then you would just lose the color that you just put down, and that would be sad. I'm doing this with a super light hand just so it's not like crazy pigmented. And then just to make sure everything is blended nicely, I take that big fluffy brush that you used for Tickle, and I just put a little bit more Tickle on it and go over the top just to make sure that everything is blended seamlessly. So now grab a smaller fluffy brush. It's significantly smaller than the other ones, as you can tell, because this is what we're putting the dark shade on. So we're going to take this one here called Love Bite, and we're going to put it just in the outer corner and like slightly into the crease, but only in the outer crease, not dragging it all the way. And keep the shade inside the crease as close as you can, not dragging it up. Okay, so pick up that brush that you used for Spanked, and we are going to take more of it, which is the shade right here. And we're going to apply this in the center of the eyelid, but not like too much, because we want to make the inner corner really bright, which is the white, because we want to have like an ombre effect, like going in from the light to the pink to the purple. So you want to just put it in the middle and blend it in with Love Bite. Okay, next I'm just taking like a packer brush, and I'm going in with this shade here called Bear, and we're just applying this on the inner corner of our eyes and blending it into the middle shade. And then just to once again buff everything out on the top, I'm going back in with this shade called Play, back on my giant fluffy, and I just go right on top just to really make sure everything is blended. Next, I'm going to put on some eyeliner and some mascara. So I just use this, the L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar. It's pretty old, but it gets the job done. I actually don't use this to make wings. I don't know why. I find it's pretty difficult. I like using the little ones that you like dip. I like using those. Okay, I'm just using the e.l.f. little dip thingy. For mascara, I'm just using the Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. And this is where you can, after you add your mascara, add some falsies. But for me, I don't really like wearing falsies. So I just apply like 2 coats of mascara. Moving to the lower lash line, going back into our palette here. And I'm just going to take one of these like little brushes. I don't know what they're called. This one's just the JH43, the Jaclyn Hill brushes. In case you're wondering what brushes I'm using, that's what it is. So I'm tapping back into Love Bite, and I'm going to put this like tightly across my eyelash line. Then I'm going to take a smaller brush. I'm taking one of these that has like a point on the tip. And I'm going to tap back into Spanked and just like blow out that color. And this will just tie in with the top really nicely. I'm just going to apply mascara to the bottom lashes just to give it something extra. For lips, I'm going in with just a pinky color. This one's called Outstanding Plum. I'm not exactly sure where this is. Avon? I think it's Avon. But I'm just taking like a pinky color. And on top of that, I'm going to add the Katy Perry gloss in Cataloope, KP27. I don't know, it looks like this, very cute. But I'm adding it just because I feel like since the eyes are super matte, that the lips should be kind of glossy. So this is the finished look. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Thanks!